What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Awesome Motoring here. So right now I am about to pick up my friend. We're about to go to pick up another part from Miata. This is well, you're gonna get to see it, but I honestly can't wait to get it. This will open much more doors for us. So I'll be recording the whole thing, so you guys will watch.
You hear us go back.
What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Awesome Motoring here. Yeah, so I picked up a Flying Miata Mega Squirt. Pretty sure it's Mega Squirt 2. It's a plug and play. See right here. And so I want to go install it, and then I figured out that it's not just a plug and play. You need other things for it. So I went and I ordered another vacuum line for it, because the first one wasn't the right size. So I just got that in the mail here, and we're gonna open it right now. Alright, let's see. We're gonna see if this is the right size here. If it's not, this will be the second mess up I've had in terms of these vacuum lines. Let's see. Okay. So, size here, and let's see. Alright, so we have the line here. If it will focus, there we go. And that opening is supposed to be able to fit into right there. Ooh. Yeah, so see if I can fit this in with one hand. Don't tell me this thing is too big. Hold up. Alright, no, because instead of, trying to get it through there, what I'm going to do is put it through the Miata first, wire it up, and then I can worry about that later. Right, so we are going to try and run it through the Miata first and get that to fit, and then don't mind the active wildlife trying to make its way inside the Miata. What kind of bug is that? Jesus. Alrighty then. Let's see if I can do this in one hand. There we go. Alright, got it propped up. So, what I've seen, it's got to go through this right here. That's the line. I can get this cap off. Come on. There we go. Alright, so this has to go right through here. Right through here. Come on. There we go. Alright. That's fit pretty snug right on there. So, see, I'm not sure if it's the same size or not, but I'm just gonna pretend like that's it. Okay. So, that's through there. And then, it's gotta come through here inside the car so that I'll be able to run it through. Question is, where am I gonna run it? I'm about to put it through a grommet. I gotta find one. Alright, let me figure this out. Alright, we're gonna look through here, see if there's a grommet. Well, see if there's an opening to the grommet. I might have to take this out here. What do I need to do that? It is dark under here, so I cannot see. I gotta take that out. If you guys can see, that's right there. I'm gonna turn on the light. Hold on. The light does nothing, so I'm gonna turn on the flashlight. If I can, there we go. There we go. We actually got some light under here. So we're gonna need to take this out. Pretty sure it's just these screws on the bottom here. And if there's anything inside, I don't think so. So unless I can see it from under here. Oh, let's check that out. Hold up. Let's move this header out the way. So under here, we're just looking for one space where we'd be able to run the line through. Yeah, this gotta come out. Alright, so I'm in a situation now where I cannot find my toolbox or my tools. So we're just gonna see if this could fit. Most likely not. This is not gonna fit. So if I can Yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright guys, I'm back. I am just, I'm just gonna move on. We're still gonna need to do that line. Alrighty then. Yeah, we're still gonna need to do that line, but let's move on with the rest of it before we continue with that. So with this, if I can get this thing to pop up a little bit more. Okay, as well. Uh-oh. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Alright, here we go. So, you need to take your fuse cover off, and there's this one fuse right here. You gotta take out before you do anything. Let me take out that negative battery terminal, because I do not feel like being electrocuted on this fine day. Yeah, so this, you gotta get this out of here. You really should use pliers when doing this, guys, I'm just letting you know. But, sake of time, it's taking out my fingers. Alright, just gonna put in the cover for now, and we are going to continue. Hopefully this thing doesn't blow away, because that'll be a very bad time for me. Well guys, it looks like I just got lucky. I don't know how I found it, where I found it. I don't this half of the stuff in the back of this car that isn't my property per se. It's the Miata's property, but I never knew it was in there. So yeah, let's get this glove box off. Alrighty. First screw is right here. Alright. It's out there, put that right there. Let's open this out, let it drop. And it's still in there. Why are you still in there? Why are you still in there? There we go. Alright. See all my serial numbers and everything. Alright. Now we just gotta find a way into the engine bay. Find a grommet or something. Okay. Alright guys, so what I just did, I just stuck the vacuum line through a random hole, which I think is for AC inside of there. I don't use AC in general, so I'm just gonna take off the box. I think it's leading into here. It's this box here. I just gotta figure out how to get it out. So me being me, I forgot the possibility that there may be more than one of those clips. So we're just gonna take the rest of it out right now. Come on. Alright. I know that, okay, this, wow. Some things are loose and some things are just overly tight. I don't get that. You know what, we might just take out this whole air box. Because I'm not dealing with trying to barter with it. Where's the bottom piece? I think it's that. Yeah, I think it's that. Let's see if I have a socket to put it. After a little bit of deliberation, I figured out that this thing is, in fact, very much separate. And yeah, it's separate from here. That means the top can lift up from the bottom. I was trying to pry it up from the wrong side. That's my fault. But I gotta figure out how to get the top off. If I can figure out, well, at least see what's going on up there. You guys might be able to see, but I cannot. You guys are not able to see. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? It's another one of... Alright, so it's two of those. If I can just find this wire. I'm not wire, vacuum line, then this can all go away. Hey guys, so it's another day. I don't know where I left off at yesterday, but we're just gonna continue where I think we made the most progress. Back to this thing. Alright, so we have the mega squirt right there, we have all the wiring right there, and we have the vacuum line still inside the car. So what we need to do is get this box out of here and move on from there. See if we can get the vacuum line through here. So that right there, probably got an arrow pointing to it right there. See if we can get it out. Alright, we got the socket. See if we can get one that fits. Is this an 8? I think think it's a little bit bigger than that. This is the 10. It's definitely a 10. Ugh. Bingo. Come on. Alright, let's take this out. Ugh. Okay. That is untightened. Just loosen it. Alright, crash is averted. It's right there. I found it. Now, gotta get the top one undone. Top one is right there, if you guys can see that. After a lot of struggling and apparently a lost voice, I finally got this thing loose. It's almost out. There we go. Put that right there next to the other one, and this whole thing should be able to just lift out, I think. Let's see. Hey guys, I'm back. So what happened was I had to go do something real quick, and I'm sorry, that's a straight, I think that's a straight pipe Subaru Crosstrek or Outback, whatever that is. Anyways, I got the ECU out, and that thing is held in with like 1,000 self-tapping screws. So we're gonna try to put this thing in and connect it to those here. And we still need to run this vacuum line for the map. So that's what's gonna happen right now. Wish me luck.
Only the names of